again with another recipe for you. And in this week's video, I'm going to show you how to make these strawberry white chocolate cookies that are an amazing sweet treat and perfect for Valentine's Day. But before we do that, we got to get into our quote for this week, which is coming from Marion Wright Edelman, who's the first black woman to be admitted to the Mississippi State Bar, as well as a recipient of the Presidential Medal of Freedom. Education is for improving the lives of others and for leaving your community and world better than you found it. Nice. So this week's recipe is super easy, it's really good, and I actually have a taste test video so that way you guys can truly see that these cookies are popping and believe it from somebody who's not just, the person making the video. Like I said, super easy, super good. I'm going to show you the ingredients so that way you can get started on making these. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see y'all next time. First thing you're going to do is empty your strawberry cake mix into a bowl. And to that you're going to add some baking powder. This is about 1 teaspoon. And then mix all of your dry ingredients together. Next we're going to add a half a cup of vegetable oil and then 2 eggs as our wet ingredients, as well as a half teaspoon of some vanilla extract. Mix all of that together really well. Now that that's well mixed, we're going to go ahead and add our white chocolate chips, and I'm using about a half a cup here. And then what you want to do is to just fold the chocolate chips into the cookie dough. So I have a cookie sheet lined with parchment paper, and I'm taking about 1 tablespoon to make my cookies. I'm going to take these and put them in the oven that's been preheating at 350 degrees and leave them in the oven for about 10 minutes. I took them out and left them on the baking tray before transferring them to a cooling rack. My sister wanted them to cool faster, so she decided to fan them. And that's it. That's how you make these strawberry white chocolate chip cookies. I hope you guys enjoy. They make really great gifts for Valentine's.